In this video we'll show you how to automatically format your caption events to meet character and line number requirements. Start by going to the Format menu and selecting Automatic Format Custom. The Automatic Format window will appear. You will see controls for the maximum number of lines per event, the maximum number of characters per line, and the minimum event duration. There are also options for allowing orphan words and applying format rules to all events. By default, the Auto Format tool will only format the currently selected events unless the Apply to All checkbox is selected. The Allow Orphan Words control, when checked, will ensure that all events meet character limit requirements, but may result in events with single words. Click the Auto Format button when ready. Event text should now be formatted based on your settings. To learn more or get started, please visit www.closedcaptioncreator.com.